So I got an email yesterday about a severe weather warning for damaging winds here in Tasmania. So this afternoon there's going to be northwesterly winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts in excess of 100 kilometres an hour. So we may have to stow some stuff and make sure our pets are safe. Could be an interesting afternoon. And all Squeak's caring about is getting out so she can chase the plovers in the backyard. So I'm just writing an article for Redeeming Culture's Trektember, which is happening in September obviously. It's a devotional based on Star Trek Discovery of all things. And after that it'll be into my office to work the day job.
Hello, world.
I work from home a lot. It's school holidays at the moment, and that means the kids are home, and Linda's got a big long dentist appointment, so it works out well because I'm here to look after the kids. My boss is in Melbourne and my co-workers are in Devonport, so no one really cares where I sit as long as I get the job done.
So guys, because it's school holidays, I get to do lots of fun things. Like play games for one cool thing. And it's so fun because they're just fun. And I can watch movies. So apparently today's gonna be very interesting. I'm going to be playing this bad boy. Nope. Featuring classic games from the 90s and 80s. It's kind of fun to be me. Yet to do stuff. Let's have a look at Squeak. Hi, pussycat. Hi there, pussy. Pussycats. She's a little pussycat. Let's just give her a big pat. This cat is amazing, I think.
Plovers in the backyard don't seem to mind. Two o'clock is when it's supposed to hit its peak.
So I just had my final treatment for this treatment plan I have with my dentist, and as I'm walking out they're like, "We've got flowers for you," and they took my photo and I'm just like, what? So yes, that was me.
Oh well, it's lunchtime now. Just me and Harry here at the moment because Linda's off at the dentist getting her filling done and Chloe's off spending some time with her grandma. Now what are we going to eat? I often have flatbread because it's better for me, but today, I think, is a cheese and bacon roll kind of day. This corn dip is nice, but it's really spicy, so I don't want much.
I'm very boring today. I've night shift tonight, so I'm gonna have to probably go to bed in a minute. Apparently we're supposed to get up to 100 km/h winds today, It is quite windy, but it doesn't seem all that strong. But it's only 1 o'clock.
Hi babe, how's your mouth feel?
Numb.
You got some flowers.
Yep. It was a present from the team at the dentist surgery.
Is that because you're such a good customer?
Yeah.
You had quite a bit of work done, hey?
Yeah.
Oh, how nice. So you need to eat something before you have a sleep before night shift.
Yep.
But your mouth's numb, so you don't really want to eat anything.
Yep.
The joys of being a nurse, hey?
Yep.
Gonna have some lunch, mate? Video games are the only sustenance you need, aren't they? It's about the time that the wind was supposed to peak. And it's a lot lower than it was forecast to be. So we've got currently 37 kilometres an hour with 61 kilometre an hour gusts. It was meant to be about 61 with 100 gusts.
It's my little companion. She's going to keep me company while I have a sleep for night shift. Don't you, Daisy? She's so sweet. Excuse my jammy top. So I've just had some lunch. I'm just finishing off with pea and ham, a cup of soup. So I'm going to finish that, and then I need to have a nap because I have a night shift. Yeah, so it is windy out there. So not sure what is going to happen to Launceston as a city, but maybe on the beaches and stuff, maybe something stronger. Look who else has come to have a nap. Hi, Squeak. Hey, baby. This one can be very sweet. You making muffins? Squeak. Puss, puss, puss. She's making muffins.
Well, we didn't get the extreme winds I was worried about. It's a bit miserable, eh? Chloe's back. So did you have a good day with Grandma? You went and visited Nana, who is your great-grandmother? It's a bit wet, isn't it? What a day. Been trying to get my head into doing some real work, but things kept coming at me, and it seemed like I spent the entire day putting out spot fires. But I guess at least I put out the spot fires, so I've achieved something. Unfortunately, as a software developer, you just have days like that. It's part of the job.
About 2:30 and woke up a bit before 6 p.m. So not a great sleep, but it'll do. Did sleep all night last night. Check out my bed hair, isn't it awesome? Oh, just spoke to me. Oh, Daddy's doing something. I must come see. Oh. Look at her. Hey. She wants to see what's going on and if it's edible. It's Christmas! I got this in the mail today. Yay! Look at that awesome cover. And I also got this packet of cupcake stickers. These are my $3.50? No, $3.20 flowers from the supermarket I got the other night because they obviously needed to sell them and they weren't selling, so they put them for $3.20. They are still in good condition. They don't even look droopy. And these are my other flowers. They look reasonable too. $3.20. Can you believe it? I was like, what? Oh my gosh. So I bought them. Unfortunately, when I was putting the pinky reddy ones out, one of the tops of one of the flowers fell off. So I put it in my new little teacup I got from the op shop the other day.
Ay, ay, ay.
Every time I sit down for dinner, when I'm at home, this little one sits there thinking we're going to feed her. And she thinks when you put your hand out that you've got food in it. So it's about 7 p.m. and that scary, crazy wind has settled down. It is raining though. So I'm off to the supermarket. Well, that was a productive shopping trip, only to get halfway home and realise I'd forgotten the dishwashing liquid, which I'd set out to get. So I stopped at the local fish and chip shop and grabbed some from there. Well, I'm heading off to work very soon, so I'm going to sign off. We'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye now!
See you there. Love you.